Firstly, you're going to want to start off by taking the film out of the box and taking the package off. This is what the film will look like when you take it out of the package. You can see there's some signs saying don't press. If you were to press, this could damage the film. Next, get your camera ready. Open the back of the camera up and take out the empty film. If you have already filled the camera up, you would already know this, but if this is your first time filling it up, you've got to match these two yellow dots up. Then simply close the case and turn the camera over. The camera is nearly ready to take a photo, however we've got to take the blank slide. This will not take a photo, this will just print out this black sheet. This black sheet is what protects the film from the light before you put the film into the camera. Once the film is in, do not open the back because it will damage the film. I hope this video has helped and that you have enjoyed it.